Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will be testing AI rendering with ReRender. I have been asked if I can test ReRender with an honest opinion. On their website, you can see AI rendered examples. Feel free to look around. You can enlarge the rendering examples and compare them with the original. Move the slider. I'd like to load a SketchUp model of mine and see what ReRender can make of it. Use an image or take a screenshot. Save the screenshots so you can load them on the ReRender website. On the website, we go to the Render tab. Here you can select the image or screenshot from your computer. Click Open. Your file will now be uploaded. After uploading, it's time to set some variables. The first step is to indicate the style of the building or home. My experience is that you can select a style and eventually adjust the AI with a prompt. Once the style is set, you can now fill in some variables for the environment. The time of day. For me, afternoon is a good choice. I might be going through this a bit quickly, but the choices are short and clear. Choose a season, the type of sky, and the type of landscape in the area. As a last option, you can choose the material I use to make the facade. The fun part is to adjust the render result with prompting the AI. Once you're done with the setup, it's time to put the AI engine to work. Click Render. Use the slider to see the difference between original image and the new generated image. The result can be manipulated with some extra prompting. The IA rendering result creates 4 different images. Select the desired render image and click Download. Here is an example of the downloaded images. I will now show you some more examples. I would like to share my experience and am curious about your opinion. This is my first encounter with AI image rendering. I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. The speed of adjusting and adding that extra dimension to an image is fascinating. In Part 2, I will continue to explore the possibilities of ReRender AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.